Say it again.
Bye-bye.
Oy, bye-bye.
Say what a bye-bye.
You greet Daddy? Did you greet Daddy?
Yeah.
Ah, can you repeat it again? Say it again.
Happy birthday, Daddy, again.
Thank you.
Hug, hug, kiss, kiss Daddy. Love, love Daddy. It's Daddy's 40th birthday today. Happy birthday, Daddy. Say it.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Daddy's birthday today. What's our food? Yes, Daddy. What's
What's
What are what?
I will show you.
Are you have to show me?
Assignment.
Oh, you
Mm.
finished your assignment already?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You're not yet done.
Yes.
Oh, no.
It's blank, Nathan.
Oh, yes. Because you're not finished yet.
Blank, look.
Oh, nga. Blank. So, it's not
Yes.
yet done.
Oh,
Oh, no. You have a cough. Chocolate donut.
saan mo yan?
Doon sa bago.
Wait, donut.
Mamaya.
I will donut.
Chocolate donut.
Hey, show to Daddy.
I show to Daddy. Oh. That's Daddy.
Daddy, happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, no. Hinka cute.
Sabi niya, finish na daw kung may daddy mag-birthday.
Finish
Sabi
na.
niya, oo.
Oh,
I
no.
want to teach today, Dad.
Oh,
Hello, I'm playing this one.
oh, no. You're playing. Always keep on playing.
It's a sick one.
What? It's a zip line. Oh, no. You're not doing your assignment pa. You're not finished, I mean. You're not finished. You need to finish your assignment.
Kami nito spray.
Then spray your nose. Spray your nose. Spray your nose because you have a sipon. Are you feeling okay now? Okay na.
Finish your assignment, Nathan. 5 minutes more, ha? After that, you
Kaya
will finish
nakikinig
your
mo po
assignment.
na kaniya, mami. Nathan, are you listening to mommy? Yes. Mami na yan, yes. O kaya mag-zero ka, kasi nagkuwat na. Nasing man niya ako, waray man niya pag-answer, the teacher ko no did not help me. Pag sabi ko, hindi mati siya, teacher ay humahelp kay, magpe-perfect daw siya. Kay quiz. Kaya zero yan. Ligad ng zero. Oo.
Oh, no.
Kaya mami, nag-review daw ito, kaya the teacher ko no did not help me.
Ang kulit talaga.